Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Rudolph! We have so many presents to deliver before the sun rises.
I can guide the magical sleigh with my nose.
Awesome! Let's go!
Oh no, my nose. It's not working. Oh no. Oh, 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 oh,
Ooh, mind that house!
Whoa, what was that? Fizzy, these are presents. I think it's Santa. Oh, do you really think so?
No. It's just me, guys. I fell out of the sleigh. My nose won't glow. See? And Santa can't deliver any of the presents.
Oh no, where is he?
He's outside in the garden.
Oh dear. It's okay, Rudolph. Let's get you to the pet vet. I'm gonna use my fizzy magic. Join in with me. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Right, let's turn off the lights and see how much you glow, Rudolph. I'll do it. This isn't right for sure. Now let's get these lights back on. I'll do it. We need to take a closer look. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Fizzy and Phoebe. Oh, hello Rudolph. Merry Christmas. We can check Rudolph quickly and get him flying in no time. Let's do an X-ray first.
I can't see anything broken, Rudolph, but I have my thermometer. Let's check your temperature. Uh-oh. Look, Phoebe, Rudolph is cold. We need to warm him up. A nice warm bath might warm him up.
That's a great idea, Phoebe. It's quite frosty outside. Okay, Rudolph, in we go. We're gonna give you a nice warm bubble bath. And make sure these bubbles and this lovely warm water go all over your back. And up here behind your antlers.
We haven't got long till Christmas Day, and we still have loads of presents to deliver.
Okay, Rudolph, it's time to get you nice and dry. Here we go. We're gonna put you on this towel like this and snuggle you up and dry you behind that ear and behind this little ear and your little cheeks here. Make sure you're all nice and dry and warm.
Oh, look, Miss Hands. Rudolph's nose is beginning to glow. Yeah, he's starting to feel better. Let's keep going. Okay, Fizzy, what's next? Dental checks, heart rate checks, blood pressure? Whoa, good thinking, Phoebe. But let's slow down a little. Heart rate. We definitely need to check his heart rate. Rudolph, I need to listen to your heart rate. But don't worry, this is just to make sure that your heart is beating to a healthy rhythm. Oh, that's a very slow heartbeat. Rudolph, have you eaten any carrots today?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I need to do one more test. We need to check Rudolph's blood pressure. I'm going to wrap this armband around Rudolph's arm, and then we can read the numbers. Rudolph's blood pressure is low. I think Rudolph might be hungry. No, I'm always hungry. I know how that feels, Rudolph. Let's create some tasty food for Rudolph and see if that helps.
That's an awesome idea, Fizzy. Let's craft a nice juicy carrot for Rudolph. I'm gonna take my orange Play-Doh here and roll it into a long triangle shape. And next I'm going to make the little green frondy pieces that come out the top of the carrot. And there we go, we have our carrot for Rudolph.
Fizzy, can I give it to Rudolph?
Go ahead, Phoebe.
He really liked it.
He loved it. His nose is glowing so brightly.
Does this mean they can fly the sleigh now?
Let's ask Santa.
Ho ho ho, Rudolph! You look so happy! We can definitely deliver all our presents in time!
Will you be able to save Christmas now, Santa?
Ho ho, absolutely, Phoebe! With the Pet Vet's help, Christmas has been saved just in time!
Awesome sauce!
Oh, it's like a Christmas miracle.
Oh, it sure is! Now we've got a sleigh to fly across the world! Rudolph, light the way! Ho ho ho!
Merry Christmas!
The best Christmas ever!
Merry Christmas!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!